Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a coffee cup. It's a 3D project, so a 3D coffee cup that, you could open up and put stuff into. I am using a file from the Silhouette Design Store. If you guys have a Silhouette machine, you could get that file. If you don't have a Silhouette machine but you have a Cricut, they do also have SVG files. So that's what I will be using. I will have a link down below in case you guys also want to get it after this video, because I bet you this is going to look super cute. So let's get right into my video and get started. So I have all of my pieces cut out. This will be the base of my coffee cup, and this is actually some new paper that I recently just purchased from Amazon. Super thick. Like, this is some thick paper. It's called holographic in the Amazon store, and it comes in a pack of 24 sheets. It's called holographic. It has a pink tint to it though, and like a pinkish, I don't know, marbly kind of looking thing. It's not fully holographic looking to me. It's like a pink holographic, I guess, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm using for the base. These will be my top pieces. I'm trying to keep it Eastery themed because it's going out for my Easter swap. It is double-sided, so the back looks like this, but you're not going to see that because that will be the inside of my coffee cup. And then this will be like that band of my coffee cup, like the sleeve. So what we're going to do first is just fold along all of these perforated lines, and I'm going to be using a bone folder to help me crease everything. I am using, like I said, some super heavyweight paper, so this is definitely not a step that I want to be skipping, because this is seriously such heavy duty paper, which is great. Because I could create like projects with it and not have to worry about my project falling apart, or it is just, I wasn't expecting it to be this heavyweight. It feels heavier than my 110-pound cardstock, to be honest. Super heavy duty paper. Okay, so I'm just making sure to get all those score lines. Okay, and then you have all of these smaller score lines on the bottom here. So I'm going to fold all those in. These aren't as hard to fold, so those are easy peasy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is start putting this together. So I'm going to arrange, or get my hot glue. I'm going to put a drop of hot glue on this little triangle piece, and then I'm going to align it with that bottom, what is this, a hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no, it's an octagon. Okay, so you just align that up, and then you're going to continue doing that with all of your pieces, little by little. So we'll do one at a time. This is not like a hard project to put together at all. So I'm surprised I've never made one before. Super easy and perfect for Happy Mail, guys. Okay, and then the last thing after you get all those pieces, it's gonna create like that bottom layer, like your base, and then you have this one last flap that you wanna get some glue on. And then that's just gonna keep your coffee cup closed. So you could stick your hand in there and press down. It's a very roomy SVG little coffee cup. How adorable! Oh my god, I'm loving it, and I'm so happy that this paper arrived today, that I was able to use this, because that's exactly what I wanted to use it for. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you have this top piece, so you have two, and you actually have the one with the hole and then this one. So I'm going to do the one without the hole for now. And like I said, this project is super simple to put together, guys. Like, this really is one of the easier projects I've ever done. So you're going to fold along all of the score lines. You have little triangles, and then it also folds in as well. So all my triangles are folded. And then here's what you're gonna do. You're just gonna, you're folding in all your score lines, but then these are just gonna connect like that. Okay, same idea here. You're just gonna put some glue onto the triangles and start folding. Okay, so there is our lid. It should fit perfectly on top of your coffee cup. It looks like I messed up here a little bit. Well, I think my machine did, because this score line is a little further in than it should be. Or not score line, but I don't know if you guys know what I'm saying. Well, I guess the score line, the perforated line, is further in than it actually should be. So just trying to make a second line right there. Okay. Yeah, my machine wasn't liking cutting through the super thick paper. Okay, but that's fine. And then this one, same idea here. You're just going to, fold all the lines, and the triangles are going to get folded inside, and then these, and then those are going to get stuck together like that. Okay, so I'm just going to fold all the triangles. I'm not even going to fold the top piece in yet, because that's what's going to get stuck down to this piece. I find that like SVG files are sometimes kind of hard to follow, and people don't often do a tutorial on how to put them together, but I don't know, I think they're so helpful, even just to see how simple a project is to put together, because sometimes it's so intimidating that, people don't look for it or even try it because they think it might be intimidating. But I just want to show you guys this project in particular because it is super easy, which otherwise may look intimidating if you haven't watched a video on how to put it together or anything. But this is one of the easier 3D projects, so I definitely recommend giving it a shot. And hot glue with this is great because it dries so fast. You can't use hot glue with all 3D projects, but this one in particular, especially if you don't make it smaller, you have like a good size for the tabs and everything. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna fold in all of these lines, these score lines. And this is actually what's gonna get glued down to the top. Okay, now quickly you want to put hot glue onto these tabs. I just started doing it and I was like, wait, my hot glue needs to get a good heating up because it's a wireless one, so it just needs to heat up real good since I wasn't able to go all the way. So you want to do this fast because obviously you are needing this to adhere to your project, but you also don't want to mess up, so you want to place it down in a good spot as soon as you do put it down. Don't want to mess up because this is not going to be a forgiving project. Okay, and then here I'm looking like I need a little bit more hot glue, so now I could just go in with my hot glue. That is our 3D coffee cup. Look at this. Look how cute that looks. And it just fits perfectly right on top. Then the next thing you want to do is take your little sleeve, and again, you guessed it, you're just folding along on the score lines. And then same idea here. Where does my coffee cup end? Right here. So you would just glue it on, and then you have your ending tab right here. Okay, so I'm gonna stick it on little by little. I'm gonna hold it in place because I want to make sure I get it on evenly. So I'm actually sticking that tab first because, well, why not? And I'm not gonna stick all of them on because I don't feel like I need to. But we're just gonna go around like that and stick on a couple of pieces. Or I stuck on one piece. So you don't really gotta stick on all of those. That's not a problem. And then the last one I will stick on as well. So I only adhered like a couple. You don't gotta go crazy with that because that's super simple. Okay, look how cute that looks, guys. Our little coffee cup. I do want to take this another step further, and I was thinking of adding this trim all around here. I think that looks cute. And then I was thinking of this pom-pom trim right here. But I don't know if that's going to be annoying. Actually, we could do it. I was going to do it at the bottom of the coffee cup, but I think I'll do it at the, the second one right here. Okay, so let's start adding my trim. I just think it, looks really cute with that trim. So I'm going to add it on. So I'm just adding in a little bit of glue as I go around, and then just pressing down. How cute, guys. Doesn't that look adorable? Look. Okay. Now I will add this little pom-pom trim going around the top here. And I think that will look cute as well. Okay, so for this, I'm just slowly going to add some hot glue and then place down my trim. Look how cute that looks, guys, and that helps cover up a little bit of my boo-boo on top, so that's fine. I'm also sad because now I could see like the bottom of this ribbon, and that makes me sad because I love this little pom-pom trim. It has been a favorite of mine since I got it from the Target Dollar Spot during Valentine's Day. So I hope I'll be able to find another one. But yeah, how cute is this little project, guys? Feel free to add more decorations to this or just leave it like this. You could embellish the front, you could add layers and stuff. But I think this looks super adorable. So that is it for today's little crafty video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little project. I hope you guys give it a shot and aren't intimidated by it because it is super easy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.